Imagine taking a single photo, one face, one outfit, and turning it into an entire perfectly consistent scene sequence. Same character, different rooms, new camera angles, instant outfit swaps, even replacing products flawlessly. It's called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, aka Nano-Banana, and it's available for both free and paid users inside Gemini and Google's AI Studio, meaning anyone can experiment right now. This model isn't just another generator. It's built to keep visual elements consistent across edits and multi-step changes. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and watch till the end for secret of awesome image creation. Here's the problem creators have faced. Generating one good image is easy. Keeping the same person, outfit, and small details consistent across a sequence has been nearly impossible. Previous tools made tiny errors, faces that shift, patterns that break, items that look almost right but not believable. Nano-Banana is being praised because it solves that exact problem. Consistent characters, instant outfit swaps, multi-image merges, and impressive product replacement. Stick around. I'll reveal a trick that makes outfit swaps look Hollywood grade. Prompt: turn this portrait into a 5-shot sequence. Living room wide, straight at dusk, cafe close-up, studio headshot, and a dramatic rooftop silhouette. Keep the subject's facial features, skin tone, and hair identical. Cinematic lighting, 24 mm wide, then 85 mm close-up. Here's what you get after 3 minutes of prompting. A 5-shot sequence that looks like it was shot on set. A version of the same character wearing 3 outfits that still looks like the same person. And a product swap so accurate your client would think you used a photo shoot. Recap in one line. Nano-Banana turns one image into a consistent sequence. Outfit swaps, multi-image merges, precise product replacement, and it's available to try in Gemini and Google AI Studio. Technology used to be expensive. Today, it's a paintbrush. What story will you paint from one image? Go ahead and use Nano-Banana the way you like. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.